wish your fans this year?
Merry Christmas, bitch.
Yeah.
Bitch.
Oh, okay. Merry Christmas, you guys.
Hey, Sapphie, we're gonna play Mommy versus Daddy. All right? Can you tell me who's gonna change more diapers, Mommy or Daddy? Can you pick one?
Daddy.
Okay, okay. All right, whose name will the baby say first?
Mommy.
Okay, all right. Sapphie, who will the baby love the most? Can you pick one?
Bitch. Me.
On your mark,
Hey.
get set.
Too slow. Bitch. I win.
What's that? Mrs. Sapphie, this assignment doesn't make...
Bitch. That's it.
I'm...
That's it.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh, okay.
Bitch. Oh. Bitch.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Sapphie!
Bitch.
Sapphie! Where'd you go? Sapphie!
Bitch.
Sapphie!
Pretend to cry and see how your dog reacts.
Bitch. Get a grip.
What do you want to say to someone who's battling addiction? What do you want to say to them?
Day by day.
Day by day?
That they're not alone.
You're not alone. Is there anything else that you want to say to them?
Difficult roads
Difficult roads what?
lead to
Lead to?
beautiful destinations. Bitch. Bitch.
Daddy's sick. What do you want to tell Daddy?
Bitch.
Oh. What happened to Daddy?
Sapphie hurt my leg. Sapphie, help.
Don't be a baby, bitch.
Sapphie, what do you want to say to someone who's in a toxic relationship? What do you want to tell them?
Know your worth.
Yes, they have to know their worth. What else do you want to tell them?
Bitch. Respect. Love yourself.
Yes, that's right. Sapphie, what is that? Is that baby brother's heartbeat? Yeah?
I got a heartbeat.
That's your baby brother's heartbeat, Sapphie. Go tell us how you feel about your baby brother.
I love you.
Oh, that's so sweet. He loves you too. Sapphie, who's next to you? Is that your best friend? Who is that? Can you tell me who that is?
Best friend.
Yeah, that's your best friend, Bailey. Blah,
Blah, blah, blah.
blah, blah.
Blah,
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 blah.
blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
Shut up.
Blah.
Sapphie, who's wrong?
Bitch.
Who's a bitch?
Daddy. Daddy.
Sapphie, I thought you were on my side.
Bitch. I love you. Baby.
Oh, yeah, that's a baby. That's so sweet. That's so sweet, Sapphie.
I love you, Sapphie.
Bitch.
I love you.
Hey, Sapphie, what are you going to get me for Christmas this year?
Me. Bitch. Me. Bitch.
Yes, I have you. Can you go motivate Daddy?
Bitch. You suck.
You do suck.
Oh! Sapphie, today we've prepared for you a pumpkin spice puree. What do you think?
Ew. Bitch. More seasoning, bitch.
She keeps it real.
Leave it.
Okay.
Aww. What do you want to say to someone who's battling with their mental health?
Vulnerability. Strength.
Yes, vulnerability is your strength. What else do you want to tell them?
You're a warrior.
Yes, you're a warrior. Is there anything else that you want to add?
You're not alone. I'm here. Bitch.
Sapphie, what do you want to say to everyone on Valentine's Day?
I'm single. Bitch. Be mine.
Go train daddy.
Sit.
What do you want to tell him?
Bitch. Bitch.
Sapphie, can you tell daddy what I want?
Mommy.
Yeah, what does mommy want?
Now.
What?
Feed her.
Yeah, I need you to feed me now.
Okay, Sapphie, I know it's Saturday, but unfortunately I'm going to have to call you into work today. Do you have any thoughts on that? Hello?
I quit, bitch.
Peanut butter? Okay, so we can do treats, peanut butter.
Bitch.
Then we can also do some greenies. Yeah.
Seriously?
So then, yeah, we could do greenies, and then we can go for a walk. That'd be perfect. So then we'll do walking, we'll get chicken,
Seriously?
treats, we'll get peanut butter, and we'll get greenies. They also have
Bitch. Seriously?
they also have greenies, yeah.
Bitch.
I love you. I love you.
Bitch.
Sapphie, what do you say to mommy when she's sad?
I love you.
Aww. What else do you want to say to her?
Bitch.
Oh.
Oh, I love you.
Sapphie, so what brings you in today?
Prescription.
You want a prescription? What do you want a prescription for?
Treat.
You want treat prescriptions? Sapphie, I've given you so many treats. I've given you too many refills.
Bitch. You got this. You got this. One more. Bless you.
Sapphie, what do you want to say to someone who has a disability? What do you want to tell them?
You are powerful. You inspire me.
What else do you want to tell them?
Bitch. You are capable. You are capable. You are resilient.
Hey, Sapphie, what do you want to say to someone who's been bullied?
Your love. You matter. Be you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Stay away. Stay away, bitch. Fight. Bitch.
Oh, is that daddy? Is that daddy? Is daddy home? What do you want to tell daddy?
I'm pregnant.
Who's pregnant?
Mommy.
Mommy's pregnant?
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah.
What?
Sappy's gonna be a big sister.
Wait, what? Are you kidding me?
What do you want to say to someone who just got broken up with?
Thank you. Next. Bitch. Bitch.
Is that daddy? Good job. Give me a high five. Who's your good boy? Hey, Sappy, can you motivate Daddy? What else do you want to say to Daddy?